What's up? We're here at Tre5 Customs. I'm Jeremy. Pyle's in there. Owen's over there. He's gonna be doing most of the install. But today we're here to show you the install process of the Resto Mod membrane and membrane max. We basically got one box of each to do this truck. The membrane max is an 8mm product. It's got some more heat absorption, deflection. So we're gonna put that on the firewall area that we can still get to. And we're gonna put that like on the transmission tunnel, kind of over where the headers are gonna collect, that type of thing. All right, we're all wrapped up with the membrane and membrane max install. Owen knocked this out in about 2 hours. We did 5mm on the back, 5mm on most of the floor. We did the 8mm right in the middle, and then everywhere up onto the firewall. So that's really going to quiet the inside of this cab down, keep some of the heat from the exhaust out as well. Goes down super easy. They even give you a tape, so all these seams are taped. That way, from now until when we put carpet in it, it won't get the sticky stuff all over you. We'll throw the seat back in it, and this thing's ready to go off to get the rest of the interior done. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.